Ladies and gentlemen, BFAM!
Hey, hey, no boy. Legacy. I remember when Pharrell used to rock the tight jeans with ice creams. Or riding a skateboard, it was like sightseeing. To lame to was afraid to change. If my middle finger could speak, then I say the same, man. I stay my name, call me Legacy. Mr. Sweetheart, aka let me see. Doing too much like a marble backflip. Jeans stay skinny like I starved my fabric. Where the haters at, Heller, I found you. No, I don't give a F word about you. I do me, leave us alone. Why don't you do you and go for clone? Get it? Yada-da-da, no boy. Yada-da-da, tight jeans. Yada-da-da, no boy. Yada-da-da, tight jeans.
Oh my God, why they jeans so tight? Oh my God, why they jeans so tight?
Yeah, right, skinny. Yeah, right, skinny.
So what?
Yeah, right, skinny.
So what?
Yeah, right, skinny.
If you got something to say, then please step up.
They like
You can't hide.
Hey, now bring it back like
Bass.
bang in the back with the whooper like boom, 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 boom. Put my foot up on the pedal and my hand on my drive, got the engine like boom, 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 boom. What's up? You ain't never heard it rap quite like this before. I got an addictive flow that'll make you satisfied.
rock the house, showing up, everybody gonna turn it out. All the thing, the diggy, the all the thing, the diggy, the all the diggy, the
Pay attention.
Every day I'm shuffling.
shake that.
L-I-Licky-C, Licky-K-Y.
Watch it, I'm sticking it out. Everyone in the crowd, they're sticking around. Everybody gotta work it out. Bad boys in the front, just open your mouth. Everybody gotta work it out. Bad boys in the front, just open your mouth. Everybody gotta
Bring it back.
My street. You're just a mama's boy. You're just a mama's boy. You're just a mama's boy.